In this video, I'll explain and show key points of making a stained glass 3D purse using a pattern from our studio, AAGlassStudio.com. Selecting the glass is the first step in any creation. Picking well ensures a gorgeous result. For a three-dimensional purse, go with semi-transparent textured glass. Cut the glass according to the pattern. Please note, additional design panels for the purse, such as the flower bouquet, cats with fish, or roses, are not included in the base set and must be purchased separately. Check the item description for full details. In this example, I'm using the flower bouquet pattern as the front panel of the purse. The next 2 minutes of the video will show the soldering and tinning process for the panel edges. Feel free to jump ahead, using the time codes or scrub to the part you want to see. Face panel complete. Rear panel finished, all remaining glass cut. Time to begin 3D assembly. Using whatever's on hand. I'm not speeding up the video so you can comfortably follow the whole process without rush. The edge of the table gives me a 90-degree angle to tack solder a few drops of tin, joining the front panel to the purse's side panel. Pay attention. Think through which panels you're joining beforehand to ensure the decorative, textured face of the glass is on the outside. We'll repeat the same with the back panel and the other side of the purse. Join the two pieces and tack them with a couple drops of solder. We'll fully solder the seams later, once we're sure we have what we expected. The purse is pre-assembled. Verify everything looks right and meets your expectations, then proceed to solder all joints. Here it is. Our stained glass 3D purse is complete. Look how beautifully the light plays through the textured glass. Each facet of the piece looks unique depending on the lighting. This piece can make a wonderful gift or home decor accent, and most importantly, you created it with your own hands. The entire process from start to finish took about 20 hours, but the result is worth it. If you enjoyed this video and want to create the same purse, all patterns are available on our website, AAGlassStudio.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss new projects. Write in the comments which purse pattern you like the most: flower bouquet, cats with fish, or roses. And in the next video, I'll show you a 3D garden wheelbarrow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.